In front of me is OnePlus Pad Lite LTE, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this tablet. Today I will show you my favorite app I'm using constantly to check specifications of device I'm testing. It's free and easy to use, so begin by going into Play Store and downloading DevCheck device and system info from Flair to developer. When it's ready, launch it. And thanks to it, learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!